7%. And we know that the way that they conducted the consultation was spurious, was wrong. The way they conducted the consultation, we found out through door chapping, meeting people who'd gone along to certain sessions over at the courtyard in Western Common. Queen's Cross had been phoning people they knew weren't in work but were desperately in need of repairs, desperately in need of investment. And they said, oh, Jean, you've got to vote for the 7% or else we'll never fix your kitchen, Jean. We can't do the repairs unless you give us the 7%. So they were deliberately putting the community against each other. So the team in Western Common and Hamilton Hill chapped every single door. And, you know, no one wants to pay this. But more than that, people are very upset at the dubiety, the duplicitous way in which they went about this so-called consultation. So the petition addresses that and says we need a fair and democratic process. So we know that that's wrong, and it's affecting all of Queen's Cross tenants. Big landlord in this area. But the other issue, the issue that came to light in Woodside, some of us were at the meeting where we discussed that, was the EcoPod, a district heating scheme that was supposed to solve fuel poverty, a district heating scheme that's been beset with problems, many problems, people finding that they can't turn the water off when it starts squishing out their flat, huge problems, causing dampness in fact. But that, at the same time, Queen's Cross put the rent up by not the highest in the country, definitely not, only 7%, not 8%, no. At the same time as they put that 7% rent rise up, they put the EcoPod price rise up 154%. And I'm sure we can all tell what that means, but I'll give you a little anecdote from door chapping. Some of you are maybe out there door chapping with us. We found a family where there was a family of 3 children. One of the children has severe eczema. And the family were saying, even before the 154% rise, they had to choose which child got a bath. That's no way to live.
That's a shame.
It's outrageous. But you know, not the highest rent rise in the country and solving fuel poverty by raising the prices 154%. But we know we've had a little bit of a victory. We've got under their skin a wee bit. Because Queen's Cross are saying a nice little letter saying we've cut the price 15%, 14% on EcoPod. So we know that is in a response to our campaign. So we know we've got them on the run. So they didn't think we would get this kind of numbers today. Not in a rainy day like this. So I think we should put the petitions in. What do we say?
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
Do it now.
Let's go do it. Let's go see if they let us in. Because remember, they didn't want us coming to talk to them any other way. So this is the way they said, come see us. We're happy to talk to you. We'll see.
Round two.
Hi there. Excellent. This is for Sonny Stevens.
Alright. You can put one here. You get best pay, would you?
No, but we still got a turnout, sir.
Aye.
So,
Can I see who you are?
I'm Neil Manley, I'm the Director of Finance at Queen's Cross.
And you're also director of Queen's Cross Chapping.
No, I'm not.
You're not, no.
okay, Neil, we obviously want a dialogue. That's why we're here today.
Well, we'll pass that on.
Okay, alright. You have my contact details?
Yeah. When can you get back to us?
Well, we'll get back to next week.
Okay. Next week.
Oh, did you do
Thanks,
that?
Neil.
Thank you.
Thank you.